Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia and today I'm going to be showing you this clear slime that I made. And I am just doing this video because I want you to see how awesome this slime is and I'm super excited to show you. So let's get on into the video. So I made this clear slime and it will be a bit foggy because I made it a couple days ago, but it is so nice. It is a bit sticky, but that's all right because once you start playing with it, it won't be sticky anymore. See, now it's not sticking to my hands, so that's good. So first, I'm going to put it on the table so you guys can listen to how nice this is. So. And I have been waiting to play with a slime for so long. And so now I finally get a chance to play with it. This slime is so amazing and so stretchy. And look at that, you guys. It's also super thick and so crunchy. So stretchy as well. So this slime is just amazing. As you guys can hear, it is super crunchy, and as you guys can see, it is super stretchy, and I love the pokes that it does. Here, listen to it. That's just amazing, you guys. Like, look at that. See that bubble? And, sorry, you might have saw that point. But that is just amazing. And you guys, I seriously made this. No joke. I made it. So, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And please make sure you do not forget to click the like button, subscribe, and also do not forget to click the subscribe button. Oh, I meant click the notification bell. There we go. And if you liked it, do all those things. And I forgot to tell you this in other videos, but if you do all those things, you'll never miss one of my videos when it comes out. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. And keep in mind, peace, love, and slime. Bye.